Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you are having a great Valentine's. As for me here, we are shooting this beautiful house. It's my Valentine. I'm actually matching with it. So this beauty behind me is a 5-bedroom, maisonette, all in suite, 230 square meters in size. Very beautiful. It's gorgeous. But for now, let's start with the exterior. So on this side, we have a sliding gate, and where I'm standing, you have a cabro paving, parking for about 4 cars, 3 to 4 cars. And now behind me, we got a Zen garden there. It's so beautiful, guys. And we also have some plants over there. And now let's talk about the facade of this house. I mean, look at that flat roof design, gorgeous. So these large windows, we'll appreciate that when we get inside. And I think it's worth noting that they are one way, so you have all the privacy to yourself. The Mazeras blue and yellow stone cladding over there. And here we have some turf pavers leading into the backyard, and also to the other door that we are going to see when we get inside. So let's come on inside. So moving on to this entry porch, we have this floating step with LED lights underneath and this double doors. So come in. So here is our living area, very spacious. And here is the large window that I was talking about when we were outside. And with this house, we're getting a lot of sockets. So we have some here, more there, some here. And right here we have the TV wall cabinetry. And here is a fluted wall panel combined with this marble look. It looks so good. And here we have a beautiful lighting fixture. So this is how we transition to the dining area. So we have these beautiful lights, very beautiful. And this door leads us outside. So we are going to show you that in a bit. So moving on to the kitchen, we have this hardwash basin, very beautiful. It's matte black, very gorgeous, and a vanity setup. So right here is where you have space for your double door fridge. Very spacious. You actually have so many sockets over here. And on this other side, we have your cabinetry and your appliances. So right here we have your oven that comes with the house, and this is a space for maybe your microwave or other appliances, right? So you're getting a lot of cabinetry. So we have some drawers here, open shelving over here, and we have an electric cooker, very beautiful. And guys, I don't know how I haven't spoken about this backsplash up to this point. It is the first thing you see. It is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. It just screams luxury. I think it's marble, very nice. And we also have a hood that's also coming with the house, more cabinetry. And on this other side, we have this double sink with a drying rack, more cabinetry, and some more drawers over here. So this whole kitchen space is very well partitioned. And if you look above me, we have a very beautiful shut light. Now let's move on to the second kitchen, which is the chef's kitchen. So here is your chef's kitchen stroke laundry area. This is space or provision for your washing machine. The socket is over there, and the door leading to maybe a place to hang your clothes. We'll show you that in a bit. So you have a sink here, cabinetry, and you have some empty space here. So you can place your cooktop over here to cook. When you have many guests and you don't want many people inside the house, you can actually cook from here, or cook food that has strong smells. Sitasema stinky, maybe kitu kama omena or something. So let's go to the pantry. Pantry has, some shelving here. You can add more if you need to. And we also have a socket, and it is well lit. Where you hang your clothes. And so here we have a door from the dining area. And this step is actually floating, and it has LED lights underneath, so that looks very pretty at night. And here we have some more plants. So let's go back to the bedrooms now. So we are back inside. So from the main entrance, we have this space over here that you can use maybe as a play area, Harry Potter closet. So let me show you where the bedrooms are. So on my left, we have the common washroom. So here is the common washroom, and you can see here we have a very beautiful vanity and hand wash basin. Very beautiful. I mean, the developer did a good job on these ones. So here's the washroom and a shampoo niche. Here are the 2 bedrooms. So let's start with this one. So here is bedroom number 1, and you can see very well lit. We have some small windows here that really add on to the aesthetic of the exterior. A large window over here, and here are the wardrobes. So here are the wardrobes, well partitioned. Now let's go to the washroom. Here is its washroom, and behind the door here we have a vanity and a hand wash basin. The toilet seat is over here, and the shower area, you could add a shower cubicle and the shampoo niche over here, and large windows. The second bedroom, and right here we have the washroom, and this is where you have your wardrobes, and this is where your headboard for your bed, because as I told you guys, the contractor is still on site, so you see some equipment. And on this other side, this bedroom, we have a door with attached double down windows, which is very safe because we are still on the ground floor. And if you turn on this other side, you can place your TV. So now let's go to the washroom. The washroom is pretty similar to the other one, the WC, and the shower head is over here. Very beautiful. Now let's go to the staircase. We have a very beautiful staircase in this house. You can see the aluminium railing, and I've really tried to color coordinate even from the exterior. If you've noticed, while I was ascending the staircase, we have some step lights, very beautiful. And right here we have some guardrails for airflow, and this beautiful aluminium railing, aluminium and glass, which is gorgeous. Now we have 3 bedrooms, the master and the other 2 bedrooms. And we also have terrace number 1. So let's go to bedroom number 3. Welcome to the 3rd bedroom, and if you've noticed, all the bedrooms are sufficiently lit, which is a big plus. So right here we have a lot of wardrobe space. Now let's go to the washroom. Washroom for this bedroom is very spacious, very well lit. So just like the others, we have the vanity setup right there, the WC, and your rainfall shower head right here, which is silver in color, with a hot and cold water mixer. The 4th bedroom, and one thing that I love about this one, it has this beautiful symmetrical windows, which are very beautiful. The washroom is over here, and the wardrobe. The washroom for this bedroom is pretty similar to the other one. It's actually 100% similar. So let's go to the terrace now. Now, before I show you the master bedroom and its exquisite beauty, let me first show you the terrace. It's gorgeous, so just come. This house comes with 2 terraces, and here is the first one. Very beautiful. I mean, look at that. You actually have some outdoor furniture over here. You can add some more. This place is beautiful, and you can stand over here, so you can enjoy your property, your cars, your neighborhood from this point. It is very nice, and it is actually well lit, so that if you want to chill here at night, you can do that very comfortably. On this other side, we have this staircase that leads you to the rooftop terrace, which are very beautiful. And over there we have some cladding, which is gorgeous. Now let's go to the master bedroom first. The master bedroom is beautiful. I mean, look at that. You're getting a lot of space. This is very beautiful. The gypsum work at the top. I mean, the lighting fixtures, the downlighters, which you can actually change the mood. You can do the cold or the warm lights. You can place your TV here. You actually have your TV pot over here. Now this other side. The board will go over here. You can see you have sockets on this side and on the other side of the bed. And here is a panic button. So moving on to this beautiful balcony. Full French doors open up to this beautiful balcony. I mean, look at this balcony. It is so spacious. And if you look above me, we have these beautiful lighting fixtures that are gorgeous. I can imagine this at night. So we have sockets over here actually on both sides, and this beautiful railing that you can enjoy your property from up here, the parking, your cars, your garden over here, I mean the neighborhood. This is gorgeous. Now let's check out the washroom. The master washroom is beautiful and spacious. So here is your vanity setup, and you actually have a socket maybe for your shavers and whatnot. So over here we do have a WC, and this is the space for your bathtub, but you have everything including the provision for the dirty water. The bathtub has a shampoo niche, so you can place your soaps, your candles, or your glass of wine. So here you do have your shower area, rainfall shower head, and detection comes with a handheld shower and a large window so that you can get good ventilation. It comes with a walk-in closet, which is very spacious. We have the his and hers and hers and his. So coming from gorgeous skeleton staircase, we have the solar for water heating and the water tank over here. And because you can actually host in this rooftop, you can have your guests use this washroom instead of going downstairs. And here is a wash hand basin. People, this house comes with a pergola, which is very beautiful. You can make meals for your guests over here. And look at that, isn't it beautiful? Your beautiful pergola here comes with a sink, and you can actually make a barbecue from here because you do have a socket provision over here, and you can place your barbecue grill over here as a kama ni ile ya makaa, and then they can eat from here. You have a bar area. The bar area also has a socket, so you can plug in for maybe music. You can play some music system, and they sit over here, just play some bar stools and eat with the view of your area. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of this video. If you haven't liked to this point, please like, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested, this unit is going for 16.5 million Kenyan shillings. It's absolutely gorgeous. So bye bye and see you in the next one.